Hi, this is Eric Hill, and I'd like to share my SOA idea with you. My concept is to use web services in a new, innovative way on our media website. As you know, SOA generally, in many terms, refers to web services, and what I'd like to do is use our development staff to tap into some of the most widely used and popular web services on the internet today. First and foremost, in my mind, would be Flickr. What I'd actually like to see is our editorial staff working with the Flickr tools and tool sets in an innovative new way to actually feed our graphical needs on the website. So for instance, what they could do is actually utilize their own custom pro accounts and from the comfort of their own home or anywhere that they might be on the road, uploading their images on the fly and then feeding that through the Flickr API to the website, which would essentially be something that we could also have community members sharing their content on our site as well if we utilize that Flickr API. So I think that it's a really interesting way using web services to not just allow our editorial staff to submit content to the site in a more timely manner, but also allow the community members of the website to also contribute their own content utilizing a very popular tool, which many of them already are members of. So the second phase of that approach would be to open the funnel even wider, utilizing SOA services like Facebook. As you know, their API became public this last year, and my proposal would be to leverage the combination of Facebook's API merging with Flickr's API and then bringing those services together on our site in a new and interesting way. So for instance, someone could actually be inside of their Facebook account, and we could create a group for our site which would allow community members inside of Facebook to interact with their Flickr API, which we would have also modified. So in essence, what I'm saying is that I think that there are some really interesting ways that we could utilize both of these web services, which are readily available for us to begin development on, and I'd like to actually show you a proposal when you get back into the office. Thanks.